Today I'm working on a 2011 BMW 535. Just a quick video showing you guys why when you have a oil filter housing gasket or an oil cooler gasket that are leaking, you should take care of it quickly. This job was quoted in the past and the customer declined the repair. Pretty expensive, I understand why you would, but he's been blowing it off for so long that it's managed to saturate the upper radiator hose, the fitting, with motor oil, and it's broken down the rubber. You can see how it's all swollen up and now it's leaking coolant all over the drive belt, and the car is overheated. You can see how it's damaged that rubber. It's all swollen up around that clamp. That's all motor oil that's done that. Motor oil sitting there from the leak, oil cooler gasket leaking. So when you have something that's leaking bad, especially if it's off the front of the motor like this, it's a good idea to just take care of it. It's not gonna heal itself. So you may as well just you know, as soon as you can afford to have it repaired. So that's it. Thank you.